Assalamualaikum, my dear and proud Falconians. This is your teacher Shagufta Faisal from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. That's right. So, guys, hip hip hooray! We are at the end of our chapter and at the end of our syllabus as well. So, now it's time to do the activity on your book. Right, guys? So, this is a class assignment. You need to do the work along with me. Are you guys ready? Hold your pencils and come along with me. Shall I start? Okay. So, look at the activity A. Let me read it for you. Find these words in a dictionary or an encyclopedia. What is encyclopedia? Encyclopedia is a book holding each and every information which exists in this planet Earth. Right, guys? So, we need to find the meaning of these words and need to explain it. So, let's see. First one is written Badouin. Badouin. In Urdu, we name it Baddu. Baddu. The meaning of Baddu, it is an Arabic word, and Arabic people who are nomadic, who travel here and there with their cattle and their farms in a search of food and water, are called Baddu. Nomadic people of Arab are called Baddu. Right? Have you written it? Should I go for the second one? Okay, here I am. Sirocco. Sirocco. What that could be? Okay, guys. It is a geographical terminology. Exists in desert. It means wind. And what type of wind we face in deserts? Yes, hot winds. Hot and dry winds are called Sirocco. Sirocco. Okay. Now look at the third word. Wadi. Wadi. This is also an Arabic word. Wadi is also an Arabic word, which means a place of a desert but having water in rainy season. Dry place but having water and vegetation in rainy season. Right, guys? It's an Arabic word. Look at the fourth word, nomad. Nomad. Like I told you, Baddu are nomadic people. So, nomad means the person who does not belong to one particular place but traveling here and there in search of food and water are called nomad. Right, guys? The last one is, you must have heard about it. It's not a new word. A cactus. The spiny vegetation of desert areas are called cactus. The spiny plants of any desert area are called cactus. Okay, guys. Look at this second activity, which is very interesting. I like it. Let's read it. Write the words below in the appropriate column. They had given us a word bank, and now we need to choose the word and write it down in the appropriate column. I will do 8 words and the rest 8 words is a geographical term which the word wind in the climate section. The word wind should be in the climate section. Second word, sandy. Sandy. Sandy should be a type of land. Exactly. This area, this land is sandy or rocky or something else. Land, sandy. Camel. Of course. Camel should be in animal section. You are very much right. Very smart guys, huh? Spiny. Spiny. Spiny plants are exist in the desert areas. So spiny should be the vegetation. Right guys? Again, land quality, rocky. Rocky should be in the land column. Rocky should be in the land column. Temperature. Temperature. It's a type of climate. It's a part of climate. Leaves. Leaves should become in vegetation section. Very smart. And what about snake? Of course, snake will come in the animal section. Right guys? So, rest 8 examples will be done by you guys. I won't tell you. Now it's your turn. So, this was our activity which I have completed, and now our chapter is also completed, and hooray! Our syllabus is also completed. Yay! See you guys for the next session. Bye bye.